Hello guys, I hope you are having an amazing day. So in this tutorial we will learn about how to delete all messages on Instagram at once. Okay, so first of all we have to go inside the Instagram app, and if you go into the chats and try to delete the chats at once, now you can see that I cannot actually delete the chat at once. Okay, but I can actually delete the individual chats at all. Okay, so let's just delete one, but I cannot delete all the chats or all the messages at once. Okay, so how can we delete all the messages? So for that, what you need to do, you have to go back to the feeds and now just tap on the profile icon. Okay, now you have to go into the settings, and in the settings what we need to do, we have to go into the settings and privacy and just scroll down. So now you can see here one option which is the account type and the tools. You have to tap on that and you have to switch your account to the professional account. Okay, so continue. All right, so let's just go whatever it was. Okay, so I would put a business. Okay, not now. All right, so we have set up our professional account. So we have changed our personal account to the professional account. So now if I go back to the chats, and now you would be able to see the new options at the top. Okay, so as you can see the icon with 3 dots in line, you just have to click on this, and now you can see that you can actually select the multiple chats. Okay, and you can simply delete all the chats all together. Alright, so that is how we delete all the messages on Instagram at once. Thanks for watching.